สวัสดีค่ะ Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to present our science project, Biodegradable Packaging from Pectin. Let's take a closer look at our work.
Significance of this science project, the greenhouse effect happens when gas in the air trap heat from the sun. This is a natural process, but human activities such as burning fossil fuel make it stronger. The main cause is to use of petrochemical plastic. These plastics are used a lot in daily life, but they take 450 years to degrade and can release harmful gas that make global warming worse. Our project helps solve this problem by making bioplastic sheet from natural material. We use pectin powder, topical starch, and glycerol to create a type of plastic that is biodegradable. It can degrade naturally in the environment without harming it. This sheet can be used for packaging just like normal plastic, but are much safer for the planet. And these projects support many sustainable development goals. First, to study the process of forming bioplastic sheet into packaging material. Second, to provide an alternative material to conventional plastic for packaging application.
Research methodology. To prepare the bioplastic sheet, 10 grams of pectin powder is dissolved in 200 milliliters of distilled water, while 20 grams of tapioca starch is measured separately and then mixed into the pectin solution. The mixture is boiled at 100 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes in a water bath. Then strain through cheesecloth to remove any sediment. After filtering, 100 milliliters of distilled water and 20 milliliters of glycerol are added and the solution is mixed thoroughly. The mixture then boil again at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Once ready, it is poured into a 26.5 x 31 cm silicone tray and spread evenly. The mixture is dried in an oven at 70 degrees Celsius for 6 hours. And once dry, the bioplastic sheet is cut and shaped as desired. Research findings. The bioplastic sheet produced in this study appeared translucent with a light yellow color and visible air bubbles on the surface. It was soft, flexible, and slightly sticky to the touch. Functionally, the sheets tend to stick together when stacked, making them hard to separate. To solve this, a thin layer of tapioca starch was applied both sides, reducing stickiness but slightly reducing transparency as well. Despite this, the sheets seal effectively when tasted with a sealing machine, resulting in strong and durable plastic bags.
From the study, it successfully demonstrated that the pectin-based bioplastic sheets can be formed into plastic bags. However, the research did not include testing for flexibility, moisture resistance, and durability. Although the process of forming plastic sheets from pectin was achieved, a major limitation observed was the tendency of the bioplastic sheets to stick together. This issue was addressed by applying a thin layer of tapioca starch, which reduced adhesion but made the sheets more opaque. This research highlights the potential of utilizing agricultural waste to develop bioplastic packaging. By replacing petroleum-based plastics with biodegradable plastics derived from agricultural byproducts. Additionally, this study aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which include Goal number 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, Goal number 13, Climate Action, Goal number 14, Life Below Water, and Goal number 15, Life on Land. These findings emphasize the importance of bioplastic packaging as a sustainable alternative that supports global efforts to reduce environmental impact and improve waste management by reducing plastic waste, increasing the value of agricultural residues, and minimizing environmental pollution. For the conclusion, the purpose of this project is to research and examine the formation of biodegradable plastics made from pectin. This project focused primarily on developing bioplastic sheets that can be formed into plastic bags. We found that pectin can be used to create plastic sheets and can be heat formed into plastic bags for packaging that doesn't require strong durability, providing an alternative choice to reduce the use of petrochemical plastics and aiming to reduce the release of greenhouse gases. Following this, there are a few recommendations. As reported by the experiment, it was found that pectin-based bioplastic sheets, after baking and being prepared to be formed into plastic bags, tend to be sticky. Therefore, the research team addressed this issue by coating them with tapioca starch to reduce the stickiness. Nevertheless, coating them with tapioca starch may not be the best way in the long term. So, more effective methods should be developed to prevent the sheets from sticking to each other during storage or usage, such as using non-toxic coating, improving the production process, or using material that can enhance the smoothness of bioplastic sheets texture. On behalf of our team, thank you for the opportunity and for your kind attention. We hope you found this presentation on biodegradable packaging from pectin has been both informative and inspiring. Thank you.